Got this Toyota Corolla. It is 1996. Basically, the customer brought it in and the wire was cut. So I don't know what they do with it. They're done with it. But it looks like that's a jacks. Speaker's been messing with. I'm not sure what's going on yet. I know this go to a speaker and there's another one going here. I'm not sure what it is. What that wire for, I don't know. A lot of things. I'm gonna have to test it. I'm gonna use a blade and take this out and check what's going on. I'm not sure. So basically, I'm gonna test the powers. So this is blue, yellow, supposed to be constant. That will need to hook it up to the yellow wire of the plug right here. I'm gonna do the power first before I mess with anything else. And it looks like someone ran the speaker. See that? Straight to that and that. So we'll go from there. I'm gonna show you which one is supposed to be that speaker that need to be hooked up. And so we got power for that already. And if you want to buy this test light, I will link it. It does have like the 12 volt. I'll tell you the voltage on that. Make sure I got this blade down. So we need to look for ground. Ground should be brown right here. So someone ran something to somewhere over there for power. I'm not sure what they did, but I'm not gonna mess with that. So the gray one is a red. The gray, you see the gray right here, it's a red one. The go to the red, I meant it's for accessory. So it showed me 12 volt when the key is on. When the key is off, no power. So that's ignition. You hook it up to the red wire. Now we got the power and everything hooked up. Remember, this color right here does not mean that it's supposed to be hooked up to the aftermarket piece like that. You see how it's got yellow, red, black, and don't think like that. So pink and violet is, pink would be the positive and violet is a negative. That will hook up to the white. So pink go to the white, purple go, violet or purple, same thing, go to the white, and black, which is the left front. So I'm not going to use that because someone ran the wire like this already. So I'm going to test and see. It beeps. If you need a tester, but I don't think you need it because I always show you already, you need a 9 volt and tap to it. And for the right front right there, so the passenger side front, light green would be positive and blue is negative. So light green will hook it up to the gray and then blue will hook up to the gray black. I'm not gonna do it because I saw the wire that was supposedly hooked up. I'm not sure, I saw that over there. So see, so if you're looking at for the left rear, you're gonna hook up the black and yellow. So black is positive speakers and then yellow, you see it's usually twisted for the speaker. So black will go to the green, yellow will go to green, black, and then you got right rear, which is the purple. So red will go to the purple and then white will go to the purple black, and that's it. And the rest of them, in this case, the customer got this RCA jack for the 4-channel amp. They running all the back speakers, and I got the remote hooked up and just put everything back and call it a day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and comment below if you have any questions.